Differentiate open parentheses 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 close parentheses to the power of 3. Differentiate sine to the power of 2 open parentheses 5x close parentheses. Differentiate cosine log x. Differentiate x squared plus 3xy plus y squared equals 4. Differentiate square root of open parentheses x squared minus 1 close parentheses divided by open parentheses x squared plus 1 close parentheses. Differentiate x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 21 equals 0. Differentiate tan 2x divided by e to the power of x. Differentiate sine inverse x. Differentiate x to the power of 5 tan inverse open parentheses x squared close parentheses.